Designing should be simple, fast, fluid. BricsCAD Lite, your essential 2D CAD, familiar, fast, and affordable. Open and edit DWG files of any size. Get to work, no friction. AI-driven tools handle the repetition. You stay focused on the design. If you know CAD, you know BricsCAD. Seamlessly migrate customizations. Use existing templates, Lisp routines, and tool palettes. Give your team the power to review in real time with flexible, cost-effective licenses. It's lightweight, but does the heavy lifting. It's your new drafting space built for the doers. BricsCAD Lite.